Hello, good morning, students. In the last lecture, we had studied about nomenclature of saturated hydrocarbons, that is, alkane. Today, we will study IUPAC nomenclature of unsaturated hydrocarbons, that is, alkene and alkyne. So, the rules given according to IUPAC nomenclature system. IUPAC is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. According to this, the rules for nomenclature of alkene and alkyne are: rule number one is the longest continuous carbon chain containing carbon-carbon multiple bond. Here, the multiple means double or triple bond. So that is selected, and from that the name of parent hydrocarbon, that is alkane, is given. We know first 20 names of alkanes. Here the suffix from the name alkane, ane, is replaced by ene for alkene and yne for alkyne. First, we will consider how the longest chain of carbon atom is selected. Here, the example number one, it total consists of 6 carbon atoms. The longest carbon chain is, it is a carbon-carbon straight chain, but it do not contains the multiple bond, and therefore we have to select a longest carbon chain containing multiple bond. So it is of 4 carbon atoms. Then the next example is, here the carbon-carbon triple bond containing compound is given, and it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 carbon containing. It is not of the 7 carbon containing, but it is a 6 carbon containing longest chain, because in the 6 carbon containing long chain it consists of a multiple bond, that is a triple bond. So that is about the rule number one, how to select a longest carbon chain in alkene and alkyne. The second rule is we have to select a lowest possible locant, meaning is to the carbon-carbon double bond or triple bond containing carbon, minimum number is given, that is called as a lowest possible locant. So here two examples are given. One is, it is a 4 carbon containing alkene. The numbering is given starting from carbon which is bonded to double bond. Then how this numbering is wrong, it is given here improper numbering. Here the carbon carbon double bond is numbered as a 3 and 4, and it is not a lowest numbering. So not lowest possible locant, and hence it is a wrong, improper numbering. Then in the second example, it is carbon carbon triple bond containing. The proper numbering is like this carbon carbon triple bond containing 1 and 2 number. But in the same example, this carbon carbon triple bond containing 3 and 4, this numbering is given, and that is not correct, because the second rule, it is according to lowest possible vacant locant, we have to give the carbon carbon double bond or triple bond containing carbon have the lowest possible numbers. Here there are some examples, we will discuss only two here. So it is a structural formula is given here. The numbering, this is alkane, and this second carbon is branched. So this must have the minimum numbering, lowest locant. So it is correct numbering is 1, 2, 3, 4, and carbon number 2 contains a side chain of 1 carbon, and 1 carbon containing side chain we know it is methyl, and it is present on carbon number 2, therefore it is 2-methyl, and hence the correct IUPAC name is 2-methyl butane. The second example given here is, it is again of alkane, which consists of total 5 carbon atoms, and the straight chain consists of 3 carbon atoms. So numbering it is 1, 2, and 3. Here the side chain or the branch present on carbon number 2, there are 2 branches. One is above the chain and other is a below the chain. Each consists of 1 carbon. We know 1 carbon containing side chain or the alkyl group is methyl. Here the 2 alkyl groups are present on second carbon. Methyl groups are present on second carbon. Therefore it is 2,2-dimethyl, and the correct name is 2,2-dimethyl propane. So that is about the how numbering is given in alkane. Now rule number 3 is the ending ane alkane is replaced by ene for alkene and yne for alkyne. This we had already discussed in rule number 2. Then rule number 3 is position of carbon atom from which the multiple bond starts indicates the smaller locant number of the two multiply bonded carbon atoms before ending ene or yne. Here the example number 1, it is 4 carbon containing long chain with double bond. So the numbering will start from right side carbon because it is bonded with double bond. So lowest possible locant it is obtained from giving the numbering from right side. Now the carbon-carbon double bond, they are bonded with 1 and 2 carbon, and minimum number out of this 1 and 2 is 1, and therefore before suffix ene, here the number 1 is given, that indicates the position of carbon-carbon double bond between carbon 1 and 2. Here the 4 carbon containing alkane is a butane. From this ane is replaced by ene, and before this the location or the position of double bond is given between 1 and 2, therefore minimum number is 1, hence correct name is but 1 ene. Then second example, it is a triply bonded containing, it is 4 carbon containing alkyne. We know 4 carbon containing alkane is a butane. Here the suffix ane is replaced by yne because here triple bond containing compounds are alkyne, therefore suffix given is yne. The numbering for this longest carbon chain containing triple bond starts from left end of the carbon chain. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 and 2 carbon atoms. They are triply bonded and the minimum number is 1. Therefore, but1 yne is the correct IUPAC name. Rule number 5 is if multiple bond is equidistant from the both ends of the selected chain, then the carbon atoms are numbered from that end which is nearer to the first branching. Here, this is a longest carbon chain containing 6 carbon atoms. The double bond is present between 3 and 4. These are the central carbon atoms, but the side chain is present on second carbon and fourth carbon. So if you give numbering from left end, then this is a correct because second carbon atom have branch. And if you give the numbering from right end, that will be wrong because third carbon atom have a branch, and that is not a minimum number. Therefore correct numbering is from left end. that is, a first branching must be nearer to this carbon-carbon double bond. Then the second example here, carbon-carbon triple bond. The longest carbon chain is of again 6 carbon atom. Triple bond is at the center between carbon 3 and 4, and the branch is present on carbon number 2. Hence the numbering from left end is correct and right end, that is wrong. Then rule number 6 is, if the parent chain contains the 2 double bonds or 2 triple bonds, then for alkene it is named as a diene, and for alkyne it is diviene. So all these cases A of alkane is retained. Then here one example, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon containing long chain with 2 double bonds. Hence the 5 carbon containing, it is a pentane. From the pentane, suffix ane is replaced by ene. Here there are 2 double bonds, therefore diene. And again in the rule number 6 it is given that from the name of alkane, from the suffix ane, a remains in the name. So therefore it is a penta, not pent. Remember this well. So it is penta 1,3-diene. Similarly, it is 6 carbon containing long chain with 2 triple bonds, and 6 carbon containing is hex. Here A retains, therefore hexa 1,4-diene. Why 1,4? Because the triple bond is present between carbon number 1 and 2 and 4 and 5. Therefore minimum number is 1 and 4. And the correct IUPAC name is hexa 1,4-diene. Rule number 7 is, if the parent chain contains the double bond and the triple bond, then the carbon atoms are numbered from that end where the multiple bond is nearer. Such systems are named by putting en ending first followed by yne. The numbering indicating the location of multiple bond is placed before the name. Here is the example. It is 5 carbon containing long chain with double bond and triple bond. So it is 5 carbon containing, numbering is given from the left end, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Double bond is present between 1 and 2, therefore it is pent 1 in, and 3 and 4 contains triple bond, therefore 3 yne. So pent 1 in 3 yne. Then as we had studied in the rule number 7, first ene is given and then yne. So here it is a triple bond and double bond containing compound. Total number of carbon atoms are 6. The numbering given from the left end because multiple bond is nearer to this end. Here the alkene, that is double bond is present between 4 and 5 carbon and triple bond between 1 and 2. So minimum number for triple bond is 1 and for double bond it is a 4. So correct IUPAC name is, it is hex 4 in 1 yne. Remember this well because in comes first then yne, and the numbering will be given from that end that consists of a double bond or triple bond. If, and rule number 8 is, if there is a tie between double bond and the triple bond. The double bond gets a lower number and it is CH triple bond C, CH2, CH double bond CH2. It is 5 carbon containing. Now here the double bond is at one end and triple bond is at other end. So from which side we will give the numbering? The numbering will be given, preference will be given for alkene and then for alkyne, and therefore the numbering for this example is from right end, that is with double bond carbon and not with triple bond carbon. So triply bonded carbon, they are numbered as a 4 and 5. So it is 5 carbon containing, therefore pent 1 in 4 YNE. That is the correct example. So that is about the rules how to give IUPAC names for alkene and alkyne. Thank you.